Hi, my name's Alex, and I'm that tech guy. My Samsung stove has been flashing for the past 2 years, and the reason is I decided that since it was only flashing but it was still working, it was not worth my time and my effort to fix it until it broke to a point where I could no longer use it. So last week, one of the LED segment on the display decided to burn out, and that meant that even though it was 8:15, it was written 9:15 and I thought I was late for work. So I decided to call a local company to help me in fixing it. After a few days, no callbacks. Since one of the LCD segments wasn't working anymore, I thought, if I order the part and that's not the problem, at least I can fix the clock and still have the proper time even though the rest is going to be flashing. But I was pretty sure that it was the LCD screen anyways, so I went online with the model number and ordered the part. Now I'm going to put the link in the description in case you come across the same problem as I did. So the most difficult part was getting that LCD screen out of the actual frame that was holding it. I stuck a screwdriver in between the LCD screen and the bezel, and I started prying a little bit, and the bezel bent to the point where the two plastic tabs holding down the LCD screen were no longer holding the LCD screen, so it just popped out like this. And then you put the new LCD display in and you plug all the wires back in. Don't forget the small screw in the corner of the motherboard, because that's one of the things that I was about to forget when I put the cover back, but I realized there was one black screw sitting on the countertop. So I quickly removed the cover, put the screw back in, and then I put the cover back and plugged the stove in, and guess what? After all that work, not only did I fix the actual clock from my stove, but I also resolved the flashing issue. So the message here is you can fix your own stove by yourself. If you're not sure what part is broken in your stove and you have that type of flashing issue, well, it's just the LCD screen. Just change it and you'll be fine. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and if it's the kind of thing that you think that would interest one of your friends or family member, just send them a link, send them to my channel. I want to reach 8,000 subscribers before Christmas. I want to thank you for watching this video till the end, and until next time, goodbye.